Low Res Music presents the new joyful sounds of Selma, Alabama.
The new joyful sounds.
With that brand new hot CD entitled May Not Have.
May not have.
Selection in the background. Oh, you brought me.
You brought me.
You can purchase at lowres.com or gramercy.com.
Come on, saints, and go with me while we lift up the name.
Also, you can download it all digital stores right there at Amazon, eMusic, and iTunes. Selection entitled in the background, Feel the Spirit.
Yes,
Feel the spirit.
every now and then. Every now and then.
That's right, it's the new joyful sounds out of Selma, Alabama.
You know,
Brand new hot CD entitled May Not Have.
May not have.
Just give God a chance.
For booking info, you can contact Tyrone Barnes, area code 334-419-3207.
What you need to do.
Selection in the background, Try My God. These are the new joyful sounds out of Selma, Alabama.
Low Res recording artists.
With their brand new CD entitled May Not Have. Selection in the background, May Not Have.
May not have.
Say it one more time. Can I say it one more time? Will it be all right? Listen.
You can purchase right there at lowres.com or gramercy.com. Download or purchase through digital stores right there at Amazon, eMusic, and iTunes.
Everything